I went out and splurged today on a rather large piece of lamb. I've put half in the freezer. I just cut the other half off before. But anyway, this is a beautiful piece of lamb, and I'm going to show you how I am going to prepare that and roast it for dinner tonight. So I'm all set to go to prepare the meat. What I have done is I've actually cut deep into the meat, or about halfway, I should say, into the meat. And I'm going to fill that with some garlic butter. Now, what I do is I get a pound of butter and I get lots of garlic and I get some herbs generally, but this is only garlic. And I freeze them in these little containers in the freezer, so they're so handy to use. So I don't have to muck around making savoury butter when I need it. I'm going to slice the onion and snipper it into small bits and put that in between. And I will be adding some tarragon and some oregano and some thyme. And then I'll sprinkle the top with some oil. And then I'll roast. Peel the onion. Very boring, isn't it, to watch someone peel, slice and dice an onion. So I won't bore you. Now sliced this half and this half I've left in a bit bigger chunks, and I'm just going to put those on the base of the roasting dish and put the meat on top of that. There we go, done. Now I'm going to get my butter, which is still hard from the freezer, and I'll just slice it into chunks. Now I'm just going to make a mixture of these lovely herbs, and no, I'm not going to measure it, just depends on what you like most. Bit of everything. Mix it round, and I'm going to put some in each slice. I'll just separate the slice with my fingers, just grab a bit and just pop some in. There we are. In between each slice, some of the herbs. Time to put the onion between it. There you go. Nice and flavoursome. Oil, just a wee sprinkling, is not a lot. With the heat of the oil cooking, it'll cut into the fat layer and help cook that beautifully. So it's all ready for the oven. And off into the oven it goes. See you later. Now I've got it on at 160, and I'll turn it up to, no I haven't, have I got it on 160? Yeah, 160, 170, and I'll leave it like that for about an hour, and then I'll check, and then I'll turn it up. I'll turn it up to about 180, 190, and just let it go until I think it's ready. So we're looking forward to this. And here, our lovely roast dinner. Potatoes, pumpkin, kumara, cauliflower, a lovely gravy, and it's perfect.